What's up guys? In this video I'm going to break down section 2 of the Tradenet course, and when they talk about what the difference is between day trading and swing trading, so stay tuned. In the second section, Tradenet will cover the difference between swing trading and day trading, some of the tips that they use in their trading experience, they're actually passing on to you. They will also kind of give you some key indicators to go off, like if you're obviously swing trading, you want to be keeping an eye out for some news that will cause the stock to move in either opposite direction. So we will kind of give you some little tips and clues to work off when swing trading. He'll also cover the basics of day trading and the difference. So what they're trying to do here is to kind of distinguish what type of trader you are interested in being, and kind of giving you an overall review of the two different styles of trading. Initially, to distinguish what type of trader you are, if you are a beginner on the very early stages, is not overly important, but it is important that you keep it in the back of your mind that you're focusing towards and at least have an idea of where you want to go. But that's what these courses are for. They're there to design you to teach you all the basics of everything, and then they'll start to narrow you down onto kind of what suit you best, and then to kind of fine tune you in each area. Initially when I was starting, I didn't really know what type of trader I wanted to be, and I tried to kind of juggle too many trades at one time in terms of swing trading, momentum trading. I didn't quite know what I wanted to do until I kind of zoned in on a trading style I liked, and that's when it kind of suited me. So now I kind of focus on mostly momentum plays, but I like to also take between 1 and 2 swing trades per week, just to kind of keep the stock portfolio going, and to kind of always, I like to usually always start on a Monday, closing a swing position that I've either been holding over the weekend. So it kind of starts you on the green as well. That was just my experience when I kind of first started trading. I was trying to do too much. I urge you not to do that. Keep a broad mind on the difference between swing trading and day trading, and then we'll kind of focus in on what works for you. Guys, if you are taking the Tradenet course, there is a link in the description below, and there's also a 5-day demo trial challenge. So go click the link.